Hello, beautifuls, from the other side of your mirror on another quick chat on reflections in life. And I want to make sure that you haven't missed our invitation to our 5-day free closet challenge, which is the confidence in your closet, running from the 10th of February. The link is below, okay? Make sure you go there and click there and join us. It's free. I'm going to be teaching you about your body shape, about why fashion is such a confidence booster, how to use it, where to find stuff, small changes to make that bring big dynamic results. But this is a conversation that I have had for years with clients and friends, beautiful clients who, and a recent friend actually. And so one of the things we're going to be covering in the 5 days is why you will find that your confidence is really knocked. One of the biggest reasons is because you have mistaken your purpose for something else. Your purpose is something that we all seek in life, right? There are books written about it. There are movies made out of it. There are discussion groups and forums held about it. But there is something that I see, probably one of the things that happens more than anything else is that women and men, of course, but when you wrap your purpose around your profession, what happens to you when that profession gets taken away? Stop and think about this for a minute. When you wrap your identity around you're a teacher or you're a singer or you're a surfer, like that amazing Beth Hamilton story called Soul Surfer. Okay, if you haven't watched it, you've got to watch it. Otherwise, watch it again. She was like, go watch it, Soul Surfer. If you're a coach, if you are in corporate America, in the C-suite, what happens when that gets taken away from you? Who are you then? What is your purpose then? That's the danger of mistaking your purpose in life. And this has got everything to do with confidence, which is what I teach. I teach confidence through the power of personal style. And this is one of the most common mistakes that women make, is they wrap their whole identity. That's why you're confident in business. And that's easy because you're an expert at what you do. You've invested a lot of time, money, and effort into honing those skills and becoming a master of your trade, right? You're an expert at what you do. And you should be, and you should enjoy the respect and the accolades that come with that. But what if it gets taken away from you? Because that happens in life. Who are you then? Is your identity wrapped around being Mrs. So-and-so, married to that guy who really is your whole life, and it's great to have someone that you love and a husband and marriage? I'm a big believer in marriage, but what happens if that gets taken away? Have you wrapped your identity around being a homeschooling mom, and now the kids are launched and now you've got an empty nest, and now what? Now you're on antidepressants, you feel broken, you don't know what your purpose is anymore? You made the mistake of wrapping your purpose around your profession, because mother is also a profession, by the way. It's the most important job in the world. It's a presidential position. So join me on the 10th of February. We're going to be covering these things, all in the aim of boosting and restoring your self-confidence and understanding the difference between self-confidence and personal style, because they're not the same thing. So the link is below. You're so welcome to join me. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything, except maybe your excuses when it comes to wardrobe and a few other things.